Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
You need the YouTube Partner Program basics, so start by confirming 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours. This unlocks monetization. Once done, connect or create a Google AdSense account and enable two-step verification to protect payments. Make a content plan now, choose a niche, consistent upload cadence, and design 16:9 thumbnails to increase CTR. These steps move you from setup to eligibility quickly, and they lay the foundation for revenue-ready videos in the coming weeks. Once your channel is eligible, optimize multiple income streams so you don't rely on ads alone. Enable ad formats and insert mid-rolls on videos over 8 minutes to boost CPM, but balance placement so watch time stays high. Then set up channel memberships, merchandise shelf, and super chat to monetize live interaction. Also create sponsorship packets and add affiliate links in descriptions. This diversifies income and increases average revenue per viewer, which protects you when ad rates fluctuate. Now launch systematically and monitor performance. Check RPM, watch time, retention, and traffic sources daily for the first week. /B test thumbnails and titles and iterate based on 7 to 14-day trends so you don't chase noise. If monetization is denied or revenue drops, review policy emails, address copyright strikes, fix metadata issues, and submit an appeal when appropriate. One key troubleshooting tip: if CPM is low, shift to higher value niches or adjust audience targeting to attract better advertisers.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.